deze ook. Leonora decides. Each day is with Leonora and then Chungi. So is it
Progress on the Mbudza Roundabout Interchange project in Harare is substantial, currently standing at 63% completion. Announced on October 4, 2023, by the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure Development, the $80 million endeavor is now halfway through and expected to wrap up by July 2024, aligning with the government's infrastructure priorities and emerging as a pivotal project in the nation. This expansive initiative signifies a significant civil engineering feat, necessitating secure attachment of the reinforced concrete structure to bedrock for enduring stability amidst daily vehicular activity. Flyovers and road interchanges are vital urban elements, enhancing traffic efficiency, reducing congestion, and bolstering safety by enabling traffic to traverse busy intersections unimpeded. Furthermore, they contribute to environmental benefits by curbing idling time and fuel consumption, essential features for modern urban landscapes. The forthcoming completion of the Mbudzi interchange promises enhanced traffic flow and reduced congestion, facilitating smoother travel along Simon Mazeroads Road, High Glen Road, and Chitingwiza Road, addressing previous delays at the Mbudzi roundabout. This project, transitioning the congested roundabout into a contemporary two-level junction, unfolds in two phases. Firstly, the construction of the roundabout and two bridges, followed by the construction of two slip roads linking to the adjacent industrial zone. Local residents eagerly anticipate the project's completion, anticipating improved road safety, reduced travel times, and enhanced access to Harare. The interchange represents a significant milestone in Zimbabwe's infrastructure development, poised to bolster the nation's economy and progress. Additionally, it promises increased accessibility to nearby industrial zones and the city of Harare, complementing the Harare-Beitbridge Highway Rehabilitation Initiative and facilitating smoother transportation along the north-south corridor. Managed by the Tefoma Consortium, comprising Tensor Systems, Fossil Contracting, and Masimba Construction, the interchange project is expected to stand as a modern engineering marvel upon completion, setting a benchmark for civil engineering in Zimbabwe and the broader southern African region.